All right, welcome back, campers, to your final video. Oh, it's been such a long, incredible journey to get here. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you give us some feedback. And you know what? I hope to see you at Mercy when we get back going here in a couple weeks. But I made this fancy, handy-dandy file right here that's got all of the moves in one place. So I'm going to go with you, double check all your moves right now, make sure they match up with mine. If something doesn't match up, remember, go back and see what you did wrong or where you made your mistake and learn from it. That's why we're doing this after all right? If I tried to make it a little bit challenging for everybody because, hey, if you already know everything, then there's no fun in that, right? It's a puzzle is no fun if you already know all the answers. So hopefully it was a little bit challenging. Hopefully not too challenging at times, but remember, you can email us all this week and ask for additional help if you're not understanding why something is the way it is, or maybe we made a mistake and we haven't caught it. So I very, very, very rarely make mistakes, but it's been known to happen. So, all right. So without further ado, let's get into this. I'm just going to kind of go through the steps and show you what you should do on the treasure map, and then you can map up or you can match up your path with mine and see how you did, and then see if you actually ended on a chest or not. Because if it didn't work out for you, then you know you made a mistake somewhere along the way. So let's start with down 2. So we're going to start here. We're going to go down 2 boxes like that. And I'm just going to keep highlighting as I go here. Left 2, so 2 spots left. Then we go up 1, so we're going to go there. And then this big one, left 5, you might have been thinking, ooh, I hope that's right. But it is. It gets us right through that doorway into the room with treasure chest number 1. Okay, but then we're going to go down 1. We're going to go left 3 units. So that puts us right in front of that doorway. And then we're going to go down 2 units, and that gets us through that doorway. So you probably knew it wasn't going to be treasure chest number 1 because that would be a really short and really boring treasure hunt, right? So we got 1 left on the first page, and we go right 1, and that kind of tells you, hey, maybe it's not number 3 either. Moving on to the second puzzle. The first move was down 1. So we're going to go down 1 from where we left off. Right 1. Okay. And then we're going to go right again 3 units. And look at that. That takes us right through the doorway. All right. We're headed straight for treasure chest number 2. But then we got to go down 1. So we're going to go there. We go right 2. So that puts us there. Down 1 again. Down there. Right 2 again. And then down 1. So all those steps is kind of like a stair step there, getting us through the next door. And now we're looking at treasure chest number 4. So let's see what happens here. We're going to go down 2 more units, okay? And this is from puzzle number 3 that I worked out with you there on that video. We're going to go left 1 and then down 1 more. And then what is next? Left 2. Up 1, left 4, up 1, and then left 3, and that puts you right here. And there's 1 move left. Weren't sure which way it was going to go, but if we zoom out here, we can make sure we can see this. Our last move, if you did the coordinate plane message decoder properly, your message was to walk 3 spaces up, and that puts us right on treasure chest number 3. So, awesome. And I don't know if you noticed this. Yes, I did it on purpose. Let me get the yellow highlighter out. If you didn't notice, your treasure or your path through the treasure map makes a $sign. Okay, with this line right here. So, that is what you're finding in the treasure chest. So let's finish this up. It's always a good idea to finish by answering the question. So the treasure chest is the treasure is in chest number 3. Well, like I said, I hope you had some fun with this. We tried to make it a little bit more challenging and a little bit better than your normal, typical math worksheets. I really wish we could have been together in person, but obviously we've got to be safe. So I hope to see you as soon as possible when school gets started back up. Thanks for playing along, and have a great rest of your summer break.